At events that require kind of a high-end vibe, we can do layering. This is a pipe and drape layered. So we laid down the wrap on our catering commissary tents with sidewalls. Then we go into and put black drape all the way around it. And then we even layer the front so we have runners that can come in and out without getting tied up in the drape. That way, if anybody sees it this way or this way, they're only going to see the drape. It just keeps a better presentation of back of the house. And for the higher end events, clients, this is a DMC with a big nationwide company, and they wanted the extra vibes to look extra good. And this is the back of the house visual of a layered pipe and drape system.